Hi there, and welcome to the next Distinctive Market Watch, where we'll be talking about the week of February 27th compared to last year, the same period of time. It was interesting this morning. I was watching Squawk Box on CNBC, and they were talking about how the luxury market was really on fire, and how retail companies like Saks and Louis Vuitton and Coach, etc., had all experienced sustained increases in their stock valuation, some of them as much as 420%. Obviously, the real estate market is following that same trend, and so let's just jump right into Steamboat and talk a little bit about what's going on there. Our showing volume is actually up by 200%, which is a wonderful sign, and certainly showing a great trend. But with the transaction volume down, so are the days in the market, which is an interesting equation. But everything else is up. So let's give you some numbers here. The median price in 2011 during the same week was $450,000 compared to this year at $965,000. The high sale this year, $4 million. Last year only $1.4 million. And the low sale last year was only $82,000, where the low this year was $391,000. So again, the higher end, the more luxury buyer has definitely entered the market. In Vail, again, same thing. We're going to focus on the over $3 million properties, but there were two transactions totaling over $14.5 million that closed the week of February 27th this year. And interestingly enough, there were zero sales and zero closings the same week in 2011. So as you can see, the high-end market in 2012 really doing well. In Sun Valley, new listings, so new properties going on the market this week in 2012 are down by 57% compared to 2011, again leading to a reduction in inventories. Pending contracts up by 58%, massive improvement. The average price per transaction up by 15%, and year to date, in 2012, we were to take the properties that were listed over $3 million that are either pending or have already closed, and said all of those properties will ultimately close. It will be more closings of that segment than we had the entire year last year. Very interesting. Remember to order your free neighborhood value report, where you get the details about the values of properties in your current neighborhood, or maybe the values of homes in a neighborhood that you're hoping to call home. Until next week, we'll see you on the Hill.